When eating in a traditional Chinese restaurant, have you ever tried a kind of dim sum called siumai? Do you know the ingredients of siumai? The production of siumai is quite complicated. Prawns, which are one of the principal ingredients of siumai, need to be caught by fishermen. Another important ingredient is pork, and the pigs need to be raised. After gathering the necessary ingredients, the next step is to prepare the siumai. Catching prawns and raising pigs are part of primary production, while producing siumai in a food processing factory is part of secondary production. The siumai will be delivered to a restaurant where several processes are performed before the siumai is served to customers. When you order dim sum, a wait person will pick up your order sheet. A chef will steam the dim sum you have ordered. And finally, another waitress will serve the dim sum to you. The service provided by the restaurant is a kind of tertiary production. It also is an example of division of labour. Can you identify the different types of production mentioned in the movie? Do you know how the division of labour has been organised after you have looked at the movie?